Right, a Tabata workout. For anyone who works with me personally, you'll know this is one of my most favourite type of exercises. The beauty of Tabata is you can do it in 4 minutes, okay? And everybody will get the same benefit from it because in Tabata, you're pushing yourself as much as you physically can. So I'll push myself as much as I can, you'll push yourself as much as you can. Okay, the results might be different. I might do more press-ups than you, but you're working to your maximum, so your body is still getting the same amazing benefits. Tabata sessions are great for strength, they're great for endurance, they're great for building muscle, they're great for cardio fitness, they're great for toning, they're great for weight loss. They're just the most fantastic form of exercise, I think. And providing you do a warm up and a cool down, you can knock one out in 4 minutes. So with a warm up and cool down, you're looking at sort of 8 minutes to do a really, really intense workout that you're going to feel the benefit of for hours and hours to come. So if you've not done Tabata exercises before, the format is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds rest, repeated for 4 minutes. So you might do 8 different exercises, you might do the same exercise. For today, we're actually going to do 4 exercises, so you're going to do each exercise twice, but 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We're going to focus on the lower body for the first 2 exercises, then we're going to focus on the upper body and the core for the second 2 exercises. You will feel it burn. As I said, you're going to push yourself as much as you can. So let's get into these exercises. The first exercise we're going to do is a sumo squat. So as you can see here, you've got your feet a little bit wider than you would have for a normal squat. You've got your feet pointing outwards at 45-degree angle. And as you can see, you can get a lot lower. You've got a little bit more range of movement here because your legs are a little bit wider, your hips are opened. So you can afford to go a little bit lower. And as you get into that low position, you'll see why they call it a sumo squat. You've got that sumo stance going on. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep our weight on our heels as we would for a normal squat. We're going to keep our back straight as possible. We're going to keep looking forward, keep our chin up, and we're going to do this for 20 seconds. Then we're going to rest for 10 seconds. Then we're coming back into a lunge pulse. So we're just going to pulse on one leg to begin with. So here, left leg forward, right leg back. Again, trying to keep that upper body upright. So we're not leaning forward over our toes. We've got our front knee planted over our ankle. It's not pushing over our toes. And we've got our chin up and we're just pulsing. It's just a few inches of movement here, up and down, up and down. You'll feel the burn in 20 seconds, believe me. Then you're gonna rest for 10 seconds. You're gonna jump back into the sumo squats for 20 seconds. And then when you go back into the lunge pulse, we're gonna switch the legs around, as you can see here, and we're gonna go the right leg forward, left leg back this time. Same procedure, same movement, same rules. Keep your upper body up, keep your chin up, keep looking forward. But here we're working different muscles on different legs. Then in your 10 seconds rest, it's just about enough time for you to move around and get up into a press up position. Here I'm doing a full press up. It's up to you what you do. You can do a half press up, which you can see here, concentrate on that 45-degree angle between the knee and the hip there, but you're still coming down all as one. So even if you're in a half press up position, your hips and your shoulders are coming down to the floor at the same time. If you're in a full press up, you've got your knees, you've got your hips, you've got your chest and shoulders all coming down at the same point. You don't want your bum raised in the air, you don't want your bum and your hips dipping and touching the floor before your shoulders. Everything down in one movement, regardless of what type of press up you do. Then we're going to have 10 seconds rest. We're going to stay in that position. You might just want to take the weight off your arms a little bit just for them 10 seconds. And we're going to go to mountain climbers. So for the demo here, I'm going nice and slowly just to show you the technique. You just want to be in a press up position and you're bringing your knee up to your chest, alternating knee up to your chest. So here, right to the left, to the right, to the left. You want to go as quick as you can whilst keeping good form because you really want to push yourself for this 20 seconds. Remember, it is only 20 seconds. You're going to get a 10-second rest after that. So when you've done in mountain climbers, you're going to jump straight back into the press-ups again for 20 seconds, rest for your 10, back into your mountain climbers, and then you're done. That's your 4 minutes. That's how quick and easy Tabata is. But you'll notice you'll sweat, you'll ache, your muscles will be burning. You've worked really hard in that 4 minutes. But you know, your dinner's downstairs cooking. The kettle's only just boiled in that 4 minutes. It's so easy. You might be running a bath or whatever and just getting this done whilst you're waiting for your partner to get ready to go out or something. You know, it's so, well, maybe I wouldn't recommend that because you'll be all hot and sweaty if you're going out with them. But you've got 4 minutes there where you can really knock out a really tough workout, and it can be done while you're doing something else in the background. You know, while your pasta or your rice is cooking, you can just jump down on the floor, do a Tabata exercise. There's really no excuse. That excuse of we don't have time does not exist for Tabata. It's a fantastic form of exercise. So Jump in the comments if you've got any questions, ask away. I'll try and get everything answered within 24 hours. Let me know if you like it. Let me know how tough it was. Let me know what you've done. And don't forget these exercises. We'll put more in as we go through more Tabata exercises. But you can mix these so well. You can do so many different exercises. You can focus on one body part. You can focus on 8 different body parts. It's really up to your own imagination. So hit like, hit subscribe. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. They'll pop up on your phone when they're released, and you'll be the first to see them and get through them.